While a new study found human-caused climate change made every Atlantic hurricane this year stronger than it otherwise would have been. The analysis from nonprofit climate research group Climate Central says the warmer ocean increased wind speeds by 9 to 28 miles per hour. According to researchers, Hurricane Milton wouldn't have reached Category 5 strength without planet-warming pollution. Hurricanes Debby and Oscar would have also remained tropical storms. Looking back, researchers say between 2019 and 2023, 84% of hurricanes were more intense than they would have been without climate change.
Now, from the KQ2 Weather Desk, your KQ2 Local Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso, sponsored by East Ridge Car Wash.
Well, Vanessa, as a meteorologist, you monitor all that stuff very, very closely. And you've been doing this. You've been around the block for a while. You know what you're doing. You know what you're talking about. You're very, very smart. So I'm very interested to hear from, someone who is very educated about, what you've noticed.
Courtney, I've been in this business now for 15 years, and I can tell you there has been a huge difference with our weather pattern, our climate, from when I first started in 2009 to now with severe weather, hurricanes, winter weather, above average temperature trends. The research, the science has backed up that climate change is happening, and it's causing things like these extreme, more powerful, rapid intensifying hurricanes to happen. So we're going to be continuing to watch things and keep you updated. And thankfully, hurricane season is wrapping up next week, but it was another active one for the books. And also, climate change has had an effect with droughts and rainfall. Some places dealing with more rain than others. For us, we've been dealing with a deficit over the last year. We have been catching up to it, but we still have a ways to go as we've been dealing with these abnormally dry conditions, but we are getting rain chances in the forecast. As we head into the next week, we are going to be seeing more sunshine, and the top weather story heading into the rest of the work week, into the weekend, heading into Thanksgiving, will be the roller coaster ride of temperatures as we head into the rest of the work week with below average temperatures, warmer temperatures heading into the weekend before we cool back down as we head into Thanksgiving week next week. It is a clear but cold start out there on our tower camera looking off to the south to the east as the sun is starting to rise, making beautiful colors out there with that sunrise. 34 currently here in St. Joe. We have a breezy northwest wind at around 15 miles per hour sustained. Across the rest of the region, we are dealing with those breezy conditions and temperatures near or below freezing this morning. So bundle up good as you are heading out the door to work and school, because you are going to need it, not just for this morning, but heading into the rest of the day today, as temperatures will go from the 30s this morning only into the lower 40s, below average, with those breezy northwest winds sustained around 10 to 20, gusting upwards to 25 to 30 miles per hour at times. Even though we're quiet here, our storm system that brought in that other cold front of the week has now pushed off to the east and has left us behind with this cold Arctic air. And as the cold front continues to sink to the south, high pressure is going to move in over the next 24 to 48 hours. It's going to help with our warming trend for this weekend before a second cold front pushes through here Sunday into Monday. That's going to bring us those cooler temperatures. And then models are hinting that there might be a storm system next week around Thanksgiving that could bring us our first rain snow mix of the season. It's still a week out. Anything can still change with the forecast. Mike, Scott and I will be watching things and keeping you updated as we head into the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. So stay tuned, everyone, for today. 44 for the high, mostly sunny, brisk and cold out there tonight. Overnight lows falling to 24 degrees, clear skies. And in that 7-day forecast, 40s tomorrow, 50s, near 60 degrees this weekend. Courtney, 40s, mostly sunny as we kick off next week. Again, late Wednesday into Thursday is when we are expecting that storm system to bring us that potential for rain snow mix, but again, anything can still change with the forecast. We'll keep you updated.
And still ahead on Hometown this morning.